So what's up, guys? I know it's been years and years since I've done an actual video. Recently I wanted to start doing videos again occasionally, I guess. Maybe on a regular, we'll see. But today it's going to be on the Craftsman 10 amp 6-inch variable speed bench top jointer. Gravity will. Oh, let me go get something. And I'm also testing out this microphone I picked up. Neither one of these products are sponsored. I purchased both of them with my own money. My first time actually using it. Haven't really heard how it sounds. And same with the jointer. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but Lowe's, feel free to reach out. So let's see what we got here. We got a little 2.5-inch dust port. Sorry guys, it's been a few years since I've been down here in the shop. I don't see why they couldn't put that on. Metal on plastic. It won't actually tighten down. It's actually shredding the plastic for some reason. But this one comes to a stop. So that's interesting. It's the same pedals as the porter kit. Probably won't use this lock. This, if I recall. Okay. Okay. Lay this part down. Position them kind of eyeball or a line. You know, like, just take like a marking knife and score a line right there and a line right there, and then you can reference where to put your little inserts and screws. As far as the instructions go, they definitely are not good. They're definitely not good. I'm gonna assume I pull these out. I do know I hope I don't lose any of these screws. I will say, the holes do line up perfect. I am surprised on that. Tighten these down a little bit more. Little quarter turn. That's it. This must be to raise it. Yep. This is to adjust it. Okay. So this is assembled. Let's see if it's square. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it'd be out of square, but I got 3 different squares here. No wobble, no nothing. Wow, I'm honestly amazed. I mean, that is incredibly accurate. I am impressed. Really am impressed. It's another moment of truth. The test cut. There we go. 2-inch thick. Oh. 3.5-inch wide piece of cherry. Running her through. He's still in focus. I guess so. It's a cool angle. Silky smooth compared to that, right? But this is what's most important for me. And you don't see any light shining through. And I must say, I am shocked and impressed at the same time. Took about 6 passes on the face and like 8 or 9 passes on the edge, but from here to here, that's a perfect 90. These were great. Like, I remember these were craft with the Porter cable, so I don't know if they made up a new formula for this rubber or new design, but they look the same, feel the same, but man, they stick really good, so I'm going to use these. I wish I had cord storage, and if not, then at least give, you know, one of those plugs that have the little U-shaped cups. You can clip it onto the cord, because I hate this. Pro to it is the price, obviously. Easy to assemble. It's literally 6 bolts. It's lightweight, it's bench top, you know, I gotta stand over there for it's gonna go on. Like I did before the Porter cable. The cons are, oh, and the other pros, plastic is like the heavy duty plastic. It's like it's good quality plastic. So that's good. I'm not sure about this knob. This knob's a bit cheap and flimsy. You can literally bend this thing. Oil came off pretty quick. I don't like these grooves. I don't know why they make them like that, why they're grooved like that. Why not just have it flat? I don't know. I'm not an engineer. Cons to it is the lack of power. It's only 10 amp, and I mean, my shop vac was more powerful, sounded louder than this thing. So I mean, I guess that's another pro. It's not very loud, but then again, it's only 10 amps. So, but the variable speed's cool. The 4 different speeds versus Porter cable's 3. I believe on my Porter cable it was like a clicky knob, like it would click, click, click. This one just freely spins smoothly. Same thing with like the knobs. The knobs, they turn, they're real smooth. I probably got them greased up really good. I didn't like how this 0 wasn't there. I don't like how it's counterclockwise, turn it up, and clockwise, turn it down. If I recall, it's been like 8 years. Like I said, the Porter cable one would be clockwise, would push the table inward, and counterclockwise would push it outward. For this, it's counterclockwise in, clockwise out. So, not a big deal though. What matters is that right there. That's all I really care about. And I'm probably not going to be down here every day, all day like I used to, so I can't justify spending $700+ on a jointer. So, with that being said, yeah. Out of 5, what do you think? Like 3.5, I would say 3.5 for being a bench top and a Craftsman, because my last encounter with Craftsman was their 9-inch bandsaw, and I did not like it at all. For those of you that have been subscribers for a while, hopefully I could say it's good to be back and get back to doing this on the regular. So, until next time, keep cutting, stay screwing, and have a good one. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and leave me a like and a comment down below. If you're already subscribed, if you want to give me a like, leave me a comment down below. I appreciate the continued support. So until next time, there we go. Keep cutting, stay screwing, and I'll see you next time. Junkie 555716, over and out.